When assembling the piston, we will need following accessories. The first step is to install the tri-clamp valve. The second step is to install the small spring, and be sure to put it right. Then, place the oil and gas flange connection. The spring must align with the hole when lowering. Then, install the 3 nuts. Tighten it with an airsoft gun. After the nut is tightened, put the O-ring last. When the O-ring is on, it must be upright, and there must be no inclination. At last, the pneumatic piston is assembled.